Hello, welcome to another live video with me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make money with my books. The number one mistake most beginner authors make is what I try to avoid. And I will show you exactly how I was able to avoid it. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe to this channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to this channel and I will be able to get more recommendation from YouTube. Without any delay, let me go to the point. Why most authors or writers don't make serious money out of their book is because they write book because they want to earn royalties. There is nothing wrong about earning royalties. Now, the truth is, if you can sell even 1,000 of your book with only $2 as $2 to $4 as royalties, you know how much you have earned already. So it is pretty good to expect royalty from your books. But here is the weird thing. If you rely on your book, your non-fiction book, more importantly, to earn royalty and be financially free, the possibility that you are going to be stuck or your expectation is not going to be met is very, very high. That is why I devised another method. I am not the inventor of the method. It has been existing for a very long time. I just start using it. And of course, I want to tell you so that you too can start using it. Now, before we begin, please check on the description. I link my free ebook on how to earn from your book, whether you sell copies of it or not. So without any delay, let's move to the method. Now, in 2019, I launched my book Toward the Eagle's Altitude. Towards the Eagle's Altitude is like a summary of everything I learned right since I was 17 until age 25. It is like an idea of how young people can take their life, their destiny into their own hand. The book is pretty small, about 60 to 80 pages, but it has generated over 10 million naira. That is about $5,000 for me in business income since it was launched. How did I do it? My mindset when writing the book was not to earn royalties, but to create authority and market and grow my company. As you may already know, I have an interior decorating company called Lokodos Africa Decor. My marketing strategy has always been about content marketing, and book is one of the greatest content as you can imagine as you watch this video. So I use the book to build authority as an interior decorating person, as an expert personal development coach, to grow my interior design company and establish my authority as a personal development coach. Then, after 6 months, I got about 5 sales, 5 sales, and of course, only 5 sales. Of course, even if I earn a 10 or even $5 per as a royalty per copies, is very low. But at the end of 6 months, I was able to close 8 million, 180 million naira deal using that same book. Now it is amazing. And of course, only authors who are using their book to create authority know exactly what I'm talking about. Not only that, after a few months, I closed another 2 million naira deal using that same book. Now, here is one thing about strong online presence and authoring a book. When it's time for your client to engage you after going through all your content, they are less resistant to your pricing. They are very much less resistant to your pricing, not because you are cheating them, but because they have seen you and approve of your expertise as someone who knows exactly what you are saying. Over 25 of this book went to people I give for free without expecting anything from them. Books, especially non-fiction, based on expertise, should not be solely about making royalties, but except you are very popular. But it should be more importantly about using it to grow your career and grow your business or company. Of course, you can use a book to launch your course if you have the time. You can use a book to get access to the next step in your corporate organization. Now, let's give an example of a professor. You know the criteria to become a professor, or like to get to the next level as a lecturer in any university. You have to publish a book, because with the book, with the title of author comes authority. So your ability to build your own authority so that you can be referred to as an author, or to be referred to as an expert, is very, very crucial. And that is what non-fiction does for you. That is what non-fiction does for you. And that is exactly what I do with my books. Don't write book because you want to earn royalties. Write book to grow your career, your business, and of course, launch your products. I bet you will make nothing less than 2,000% of every expenses you made during this writing and every work that comes with writing a book. I know this have helped you. If this helped you, please comment below. Let me know what you think of this, my idea of my way of earning from my book, and I will be glad to hear from you and to, of course, interact with you when I get your comment. Again, I'm Lokosu Sylvain. I'm author, entrepreneur, and a personal development coach. Thank you very much.